Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
The legal feasibility of divorce for a married couple both certified with dementia in New York State. Divorce is inherently a complex legal process, made even more challenging when both parties involved are diagnosed with dementia. In New York State, navigating the legal terrain to secure a divorce under these circumstances requires a nuanced understanding of mental capacity, guardianship, legal representation, and ethical considerations. This analysis explores whether a married couple, both certified with dementia, can legally obtain a divorce in New York State. We will examine the standards for mental capacity, the roles of guardians and the court, and the ethical implications of such proceedings. Legal standards for mental capacity. Determining mental capacity. In New York, the legal standard for mental capacity in divorce proceedings is the ability to understand the nature and consequences of the proceedings. Dementia, a condition characterized by cognitive decline, can significantly impair an individual's decision-making abilities. When both spouses have certified dementia, assessing their mental capacity becomes a critical first step. For a divorce to proceed, both parties must understand the legal, financial, and personal consequences of ending their marriage. If either spouse cannot make such decisions, the court must intervene to determine the appropriate course of action. Role of capacity assessments. Capacity assessments are typically conducted by medical professionals, including neurologists or psychiatrists, who evaluate the cognitive functions of the individuals involved. These assessments help the court understand the extent of the dementia and its impact on the individual's decision-making abilities. The results of these assessments play a crucial role in determining whether the couple can proceed with a divorce independently or require additional legal support. Guardianship and legal representation. Appointment of guardians. If both spouses lack the mental capacity to understand and participate in the divorce proceedings, the court may appoint guardians for each individual. Under New York's Article 81 of the Mental Hygiene Law, a guardian is appointed to manage an incapacitated person's personal and financial affairs. The guardian's roles would include making decisions in the best interests of the individuals with dementia. This can encompass financial decisions, healthcare, and legal actions, including initiating or continuing divorce proceedings. Guardians must act with the utmost care and responsibility, ensuring their decisions protect the rights and well-being of the individuals under their care. Guardians' authority in divorce cases. Guardians may seek court approval to initiate divorce proceedings on behalf of individuals with dementia if it is believed to be in their best interests. The court will thoroughly review the guardian's petition, considering the reasons for the divorce, the potential benefits and drawbacks, and how it will impact the care and quality of life of the individuals involved. In some cases, both guardians may agree that a divorce is necessary and beneficial. However, the court will still make the final determination, ensuring that the divorce is genuinely in the best interests of both parties. Court's role and legal process. Initiating divorce proceedings. Filing for divorce in New York involves meeting residency requirements and establishing grounds for divorce. New York allows for no-fault divorce, where the marriage is considered irretrievably broken for at least 6 months, as well as fault-based grounds such as cruelty, abandonment, and adultery. When both spouses have dementia, the guardians, acting on their behalf, must file the necessary legal documents. The court will require evidence of the guardianship status and the mental capacity assessments to proceed. Court's evaluation and decision. The court plays a pivotal role in evaluating the necessity and appropriateness of the divorce. It will consider several factors, including the current and future care needs of both individuals, the financial implications of the divorce on their estates, the emotional and psychological impact on individuals with dementia, any existing family dynamics and support systems. The court may appoint a guardian ad litem, an independent advocate, to represent the interests of each party during the proceedings. The guardian ad litem will provide the court with an objective assessment and recommendations. Ethical considerations. Autonomy versus protection. Balancing the autonomy of individuals with dementia and the need to protect their interests is a central ethical issue. On the one hand, individuals with dementia have the right to make decisions about their lives, including the decision to divorce. On the other hand, their cognitive impairments necessitate protective measures to prevent exploitation or harm. Best Interest Standard. The Best Interest Standard guides decisions made on behalf of incapacitated individuals. This principle ensures that the individual's well-being, safety, and quality of life are prioritized. In divorce cases, this means carefully considering whether the dissolution of the marriage will benefit or harm the individuals, particularly in terms of their care and financial stability. Family and social implications. The impact of the divorce on the broader family and social network must also be considered. Family members may have differing opinions on what is best for individuals with dementia, potentially leading to conflicts. The court and guardians must navigate these dynamics delicately, ensuring that the primary focus remains on the individuals with dementia. Conclusion. In New York State, a married couple both certified with dementia can potentially obtain a divorce, but the process is complex and requires careful legal and ethical considerations. Determining mental capacity is crucial, and when both parties lack capacity, the role of guardians becomes essential. Guardians must act in the best interests of individuals with dementia, seeking court approval to initiate or continue divorce proceedings. The court's involvement is critical to ensure that the rights and well-being of the individuals are protected throughout the process. Ethical considerations, including balancing autonomy and protection, play a significant role in these cases. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that the divorce, if pursued, serves the best interests of both parties, safeguarding their care and quality of life. The complexities of such divorce cases highlight the need for a nuanced and compassionate approach involving legal professionals, medical experts, and the court working collaboratively to navigate these challenging situations.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.